your sneezing is really quite clear. You breathe in some dust and you blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of this dust. Your body rejects it. It should and it must.
The way you're sneezing is always the same. Information is sent to your lung from your brain. Many muscles contract to push the sneeze through. That's your diaphragm, belly, and chest muscle too. Your eyes shut, your thumbs on the roof of your mouth. This forces your nose to blow that breath out. And blow out it will. It is blow with a great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an hour, like a supercar, a cheetah, and a rocket.
Are you sick in the bed with a cold or the flu? You know that will cause you to sneeze a lot too. Think of the sneeze. It's a natural alarm. The sneeze is a defense that keeps us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind or command, cover your nose with your arm or your hand.